right, Pamela, you wanted to
Yes,
ask a question, you said?
yeah. My question is, I have a nice print. It print both legal and letter size paper. Is there any way I could practice printing printing out a document, a package before I actually get one?
Yeah. Did we upload that? Kimmy, did you upload that package?
I'm sorry, I had a call. I'm still
Okay,
working.
okay. She wants to practice printing off a document, right? You want to practice with a package, a loan package?
Yes, with the different type forms, different type size paper.
I don't have
I
anything.
don't know what we're talking about. You said,
She
do I
want
have a sample package she can print that have mixed paper? Is that the question?
Yes,
what? That was her
yes,
question. Yeah.
yes. That's it.
We don't have any complete packages up there. I don't think we have any complete packages up there.
Yeah,
I
because
used.
I
Oh,
just
go
want to
ahead.
I
make
feel like
sure,
I
like,
printed one from your site.
You
It's
did?
it is some long docs in
Yeah,
there.
docs.
Mhm.
They're not legal in letter though, but you can make it. I mean, you can go online and find a legal document if you just want to see a legal size. But as far as like Kimmy said, like the actual different documents, if you wanted to print that off, we do have some.
It's some documents in there in the loan signing course. I
Okay.
just don't remember if they're legal in letter. I'll be honest, we uploaded that a while back. I don't.
They're
Okay.
not legal and letter. No.
So, what is that app? What is the app that, like, if I have a mixed package,
Page
Back a-
sorter, page separator, page
What is it?
separator.
page separator?
It's on Notary Rotary. It's free.
Okay, I download that to my
Do you have a dual tray printer or you do not?
Yes, I do.
So why do you need page sorter?
I just want to make sure it come on the right page. I mean, yeah, that's why I want to practice. I want to practice so when I get my first thing.
Mm-mm. That's not how you practice. I'm gonna
Okay.
have Jeffrey come on and do an actual session with us
Okay.
because you have to have your settings right in your printer.
Okay.
So practicing
Gotcha.
printing stuff and your settings are not right is not gonna. Let me write that down. He's
Okay.
supposed to be coming out here to do some tech stuff. He keep trying to avoid y'all. Yeah, so practicing printing stuff is not gonna help you, Miss Pamela. You need to have your settings in your printer correct.
Okay. Just find out what print setting I need to put it on. Okay.
Correct. But the other part of that is, as a plan B, you can know how to use page sorter. And I'm going to tell you right now, you just upload the document package and it's going to tell you what pages should be legal and what should be letter.
Okay.
And we're going to start wrapping up now. Right quick, we got Miss Alicia really quick.
Yeah, Alicia.
And then we'll have one announcement, and then I'll stay. If we, I don't see any new people tonight. Do we have anybody new?
Any?
I don't think so.
Hello, everybody. I'm new. My name is Angela from Dallas,
Hey, Miss
Texas.
Angela, hold on one
Hi,
second.
Angela.
I'll be right with you. Okay, I just want to see if we had anybody. Let's get Miss Alicia, and then we got one announcement, and then I'll let Alexis go, and I'll stay with Miss Angela for a minute. We gotta start wrapping up.
I just wanted to show real quick the card.
Oh, the butter, yes.
Yeah, the butter card. So it has the picture, and then on the back, I put all my services and stuff that I do. But this is the butter card. It's really, really, really soft.
And it has a round corner. Looks like.
Yep, I rounded the corners instead of.
Nice.
I'm trying to see.
Beautiful.
May I ask how much more do those cost than the regular?
It wasn't that much.
I
I think for 100 of them. I don't know. I paid maybe $25. It wasn't that expensive. I can't remember, but it was worth it. It was very worth it. So
okay, cool.
So I wanted to show you.
Thank
butter.
you for sharing that
soft.
for real.
Yeah, you're welcome. It's called soft.
Soft. Okay,
Yeah,
remember that, y'all. Another upgrade. Okay. Oh, the announcement. Thank you, Miss Alicia, for sharing that gem with us. The announcement is Miss Angela Brown will now be assisting us in the chat, people. We are so excited to have Angela. She is full-time in the business. She's been doing amazing. If you can't already hear, that from her comments, and we're just ecstatic. She'll be assisting us answering your questions. So again, you can always just generically put your questions in there. It will be answered. It won't always be me, but of course I'm in the chat. So
Right.
But we're just trying to grow, and we continue to look at you all too. Every single person here, we are looking and trying to grow, because we are nobody by ourselves. So each one teach one. As we grow, you grow. And so we do appreciate all of the support, and we look forward to getting Ms. Angela's input on stuff.
Yes, welcome, Angela.
Okay, and then that's gonna be it. We'll wrap it up, and all of you guys are doing amazing. I know, Diamond, you got your scanner over there, but we want you to get what's on the recommended list. Okay, or at least what Jeffrey put in there the other night for you, so we can get you up and running. So, but you're making progress getting the proper equipment.
Yes, I just dropped my scanner off today. Back to
the return.
So I'm gonna refund it back to my account, and then I'm gonna order the right scanner.
Yes, very good.
It was very cheap, y'all.
Yeah, that's okay. Very good, very good.
Kimmi, I have something in the chat.
Oh, let's see right quick.
This is Donna G.
Hey, Donna G. Today I went to the government. I was able to obtain.
You see it?
Oh, nice. Okay. Oh yeah, if you want to send those, I could even upload them to the general notary samples that we have too. If you want to, it's up to you. I can add it to the course too. That's good. Yeah, Donna, see if you feel like emailing it or something. I could upload it. Uh-oh, did we lose Donna?
Can I share something?
Yeah.
I had a loan. No, I didn't have a loan signing. I had a signing, which was like general notary work. My cousin, it was for verification of employment. So I notarized it about, let's say, was it a week or two ago, I believe? And then this week I had to come back out and re-notarize it, because the date that her employer put on there was like all the way back from like January, beginning of this year. And the date we notarized it was I think it was the end of June. So they ended up saying she had to, re-notarize it or whatever. So I went to her job and I notarized re-notarized the documents and everything. I left my cards at the front desk, and yeah, I corrected everything, and I'm hoping everything, we don't have to notarize anything again.
So they wanted a more current date than the first of the year.
Yeah.
Oh, but that wasn't your mistake.
Something. Yeah, it wasn't my mistake. It was really her mistake.
Yeah. I had one today. He was like, he returned it with the fingerprint document I needed to fill out, because we did e-fingerprinting for him. So his first thing he says on the phone call, you all didn't fill out. So my question to him was, oh, was that included in the package? I knew it wasn't. He was like, oh no. And I said, yeah, that's what I thought. So don't try to play me. He thought I was going to charge him again because I had to fill out the form. I wasn't going to charge him for that. Now, what I should have charged him for was the copy that he needed of his driver's license to go with the e-fingerprinting card he had to turn back. But I did not charge him for nothing. But don't try to play me. So that's what I was saying, even really quickly with Raquel. They say they have witnesses because signing companies don't want to pay for witnesses. So you got to always push back. All questions. Got to ask questions, y'all. They don't want to answer, but when they don't want to answer, that just means more money for you, because that means they hiding something. All right, we're going to wrap up here, y'all. Well, on behalf of Notary Educators, we want to thank you all and continue much success. We will see you over in chat.
Yes.
And thank you all again for everything, okay?
Miss Kimmi.
All right, y'all have a good night.
Thank you.
Y'all are awesome. We
And Miss
appreciate
Angie, hang
y'all.
out for a minute.
Good night.
Hang out for a
Night.
minute.
Okay, we'll do.
Okay, good night, everybody.